It better be. This is the last one you have here for a while, right?
She's recording.
He's posing and you're recording.
That's a mighty fine coffee.
Yeah, I didn't say that.
Some mighty fine coffee.
That's a mighty fine cup of coffee. That is delicious. That is a phantasmagorical cup of coffee.
Come here.
Very much
Say
so.
it now.
What?
Say that now.
That is a phantasmagorical cup of coffee. Yes, it is. It most certainly is.
Delightful.
It's delightfully delicious.
It's phantasmagorical. Phantasmagorical.
My, this coffee is phantasmagorical.
Enough with the phantasmagorical.
What have you put in this fine cup of brew? Why, it's a phantasmagorically good blend, is it not, boy?
Yes, it is, Father.
It comes from the phantasmagorical forests of New Guinea.
Yes. Yes.
You can take
Now grab your coffee. Get your coffee.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
I remember a case we had in New Guinea.
New Guinea. I remember the story about New Guinea.
Right. Yeah, there was both now. Yeah.
Yes. It is said the monkeys in New Guinea,
What?
they eat the beans of the coffee and they shit it out.
Camo zoomed.
Alright.
And they shit it out.
How was that coffee, Kayla?
I don't know. I'm
trying to sip the coffee.
And then they dry the feces with the coffee beans in it.
And we grind it up.
Yes. And they grind it up and they brew it for us here. That sounds quite delightful. Yes. Yes.
Extraordinary.
Extraordinary.
I'm just waiting for you to say something about, like,
Only in New Guinea.
pirate face. No.
Yeah! Pirate face! Pirate face! Do the pirate face.
Do you want to know what pirate face is, apparently?
Yes. What's your pirate face?
Jordan, pirate face.
Arr! Arr, matey. He is a son of a scurvy dog.